snowstorm is here. Hi everyone.
Not the right time to do this.
We are in the Winter Wonderland right now. Snowstorm, look at the little girl.
Okay. No, sled don't work. Can't do it.
Come on, let's just walk around.
Walk to mommy. Sled's broken.
Huh? Oh, you wanna walk with mommy? Come. Come on. Where's that? Where's your gloves? Give me. Your gloves is right here. Can you put your gloves on?
Bring the living kids camera.
Come on. Yep. That's okay. Come, let's go. We're walking here. Ooh. Run, run. Run, run, run. Hey, hey, hello. Oh, you want to go to daddy? Come on, go to daddy. Winter Wonderland. Oh, I like it here, baby. You can swimming in the snow. Wow, so deep. Oh my God. This is Winter Wonderland. We have a snowstorm today. Oh, look at that. Deep snow. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Tiffany can't play. Oh my God. Hey guys, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you around. Oh, oh. Hey everyone, we are going to the grocery. I just want to show you this Winter Wonderland scenery here. There was a snowstorm yesterday, so this is the scenery this morning. It's really look Winter Wonderland. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. Yes, this is it. Look. You know, it's so sunny right now, but still this ice on the trees doesn't melted yet, because the heat of the sun is just not enough to melt this icing on the trees. Look at that. This is our way going to Walmart. It's a weekend, Saturday morning. It's not really morning, it's like late morning, 11 o'clock.